Today we will learn how to create empty table for measures. So I have few measures in my data model and I want to have them in the same empty table. So first of all, I need to create this table. So on the modeling tab, we can choose create new table, and we just a way to create empty table. And one more thing, I want to, based on the alphabet, this table will be always at the first. So I can write something like dot measures or every other sign, for example hash that is previous smaller than a, and I prefer just dot. So we are creating measures, a table with 4 measures, and I want this table to be empty, so we are using curly brackets to say this is an array and a table, and then we can use just a blank function, and just like that we have created empty table with one default column. And we can see this table have a different icon than a standard table we have imported to Power BI. And we can go to table view, data view, and we can see measures, empty table. This table is empty and we don't need any relations for this table, so it's everything okay. And we can now put every measure I have into this table. So when I'm selecting measure, I can see measure tools tab, and in this tab we have a home table field, and we can go to measures, and now our measure is in this table, and I can do it with every measure I can find. But when I'm on the report view or table view, I am not able to just drag and drop this table, so I will have to choose home table with mouse and this field. But when we go on model view, we can see in calendar there are more measures, and I have some measures in sales table, and I with control can select all of them, and then I can drag them to our measure table. And one more thing, with this table I don't need field value, so I can hide it somewhere in one of the views. And now my measure table have only measures inside, and thanks to that we will have an easier way to find our measures and look at them, so we can create more measures here or just making changes with these measures.